Hi again. Brian's Camper update number 9. Well, you can probably tell I cleaned it up a little bit. Scrubbed the outside with a brush, some soap, water, some vinegar, white vinegar. Helped take some of the moss and stuff off of it. I found a leak. It was the vent right here. It was leaking pretty good inside. Found that last time it was raining. That's what rotted out the wall by the stove. It's brand new now, and I put some of that caulking tape around it. It's a lot cleaner now. Even the back. Still have to change the tail lights and fix that one light there. Add the aluminum across the top of the front and back. But as you can tell, I trimmed the rubber that was over the edge. Now this side was real bad, and I cleaned this side all up. No more moss or mold or anything like that. Nice and smooth. Put in this vent. I don't remember if I showed you last time. I don't think I did. Clean the front all up. But I'll show you that vent. To paint those boards, but for right now I have just some wires hanging out of this light, which I got to make a little bit cleaner and put a switch in. But it's not bad. It blows a little bit of air. It'll be used for the shower and bathroom ventilation. I also have a couple of these fans. Same one that's in there. They'll be going up in that window, powered by that light, and we'll have a temperature switch on it so that it turns on when the internal temperature in here gets above, I don't know, probably 90. This, pretty sure I'm going to tear this out, this whole cabinet. Then I'll have to paint the ceiling where that was. I'm going to tear it out all the way down to where the door is. Then build a metal platform, metal sides, and then put the wood stove right there with the stack going up and through out the back wall. So that'll keep this pretty warm in the winter, I hope. But other than that, I started putting wood floor down. I gotta go get some more. I only had 4 pieces, but that floor will go all the way through the bathroom, all the way up front, and down this little hallway. And I don't really have anything else to show you. Guess that's it for now. Talk to you later. Bye.